Union Pacific.
2896
What's the trailer number?
6875.
Okay. Looks like it's carrying some auto racks. There's a CN one. What?
Nothing.
Union Pacific? I could zoom in, so yeah, I could see better. Whoa. Looks like there's a BNSF one. Oh wow, there's a CSX one as well. Not a Union Pacific one. There's just a normal one. Yeah, it's nothing really that bad. Another CN, UP. The weird part is I haven't seen like an NS one yet. Oh, Canadian Pacific, I haven't seen that one yet. NS, finally, bro.
Norfolk Southern.
CSX.
Union Pacific.
I have no idea what that one.
Bromex.
Oh, we see some new cars now. They're hopper cars. Well, cover hoppers. There's box cars now.
That one's wide open. I guess that means someone's traveling in it.
Or they forgot the cars. Ooh, there's a gondola. It's like small cars, like flatbeds. And they're like box cars, but if they don't, when tankers, more auto racks. There's been a bunch of auto racks on this train. It's been 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and this train is long, right?
Right.
And it looks like it's gaining speed too. Because remember how slow it was going at the start?
Yep.
Look how fast it's going. There's a coil car. You know, like coil and
There's
stuff?
some different ones. White Union Pacific ones.
They're called refrigerator cars.
Mm-hmm.
They carry cold stuff,
Okay.
like milk,
Yeah.
stuff, like cream.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a CSX one.
ASCN and Norfolk Southern. BNSF.
UP.
CN. I don't know that label.
Oh, that must be the new label.
BNSF. Canadian Pacific.
You know Canadian Pacific and like
I don't know that.
Canadian National? They combined, and that must be one of their brand new auto racks.
Okay.
That must be the new logo. I never seen it. It's cool. And there goes the last part of the train.
Good deal.
Are the gates even opening?
Not yet. It has to get past a certain point. Oh, they were trying to. Then they closed.
What do you mean they closed?
They rose up and they went back down.
For what?
I don't know.
Is there another train?
No, I don't think so. I hear an ambulance or something.
Then when
Or police.
the gates are still closed.
Yep.
You just starting it just in case?
I was just putting it in park.
Oh. Because you don't have no idea how long it's going to be?
Oh, there they go.
There. What was coming?
It's an ambulance. That's why we're not moving.
No, the ambulance is on the other side.
Well, no, he's right there.
I know, he's right there. Ambulance do not do that, though.
What do you mean? Go on the opposite side?
No, they don't close the gates.
No. It was just perfect time.
Then what made the gates stop
I
closing?
don't know, buddy. It's way down there now.
Yep.